Hello learner, once again I welcome on the class of engineering mathematics. So I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in the previous discussion we have seen the high order linear differential equation, and for this I told you that the solution of this high order linear differential equation comprises of two parts. One is complementary function and second one is particular integral. So for the solution of complementary function I told you that just we have to write the auxiliary equation and roots of that auxiliary equation we have to compute it, and after that depending on the roots we have to write the solution. Four cases I have discussed for the complementary function. The first case when our roots are real and distinct, second case when our roots are real and repeated, third case I have discussed when our roots are imaginary and distinct, and the fourth case when our roots are complex and repeated type. So today I am going to discuss the second part, that is particular integral. So how to compute the particular integral. So in this particular integral I will discuss 5 cases, and with the help of that 5 cases we are easy to solve the particular integral. So in the previous discussion we have seen how to solve the high order linear differential equation. In high order linear differential equation the solution is sum of complementary function and particular integral. So in the last class we have seen how to compute the complementary function. So now today I am going to discuss how to compute the particular integral. So there are various rules to compute the particular integral. Rules for particular integral. So in this particular integral I will discuss inverse operator. Inverse operator is a operator 1 by f into d which on operating fd into y gives y, where fd and 1 by fd are called inverse operator to each other. For the differential equation fd into y is equal to x, the particular integral is given by 1 by fd into x. So this is our particular integral. Depending on the function x, depending on the function x, we have the following cases for particular integral. So depending on the function x, this fd can be computed. So case first, when x is equal to an exponential function e to the power ax, then particular integral pi is equal to 1 by fd into e to the power ax. Replace capital D by a. If fa is not equal to 0. So when our first case, when our function is e to the power x, so particular integral 1 by fd into e to the power x, and this d is replaced by a, but there is a condition if fa should not be equal to 0. If fa is equal to 0, if fa is equal to 0, then particular integral is equal to 1 by fd into e to the power x, and this will be x into 1 by f dash d into e to the power x, and here replace d by a, means particular integral is equal to x into 1 by f dash a into e to the power ax. Similarly, if f dash a is also 0, then once again you have to differentiate, means particular integral is x square 1 by f double dash a into e to the power x, and similarly we have to check. Let us take one example of based on the find the particular integral of d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e to the power 2x. So here the solution of the differential equation comprises complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function can be auxiliary equation can be written as d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0, and find the value of d, and after that out of 4 cases you can compute the complementary function that we have already seen in the last class. Today I am interested to compute the particular integral. So particular integral, so it is the fd into y is equal to e to the power ax. So this is the exponential function. So for that, particular integral will be 1 by fd into e to the power ax, 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 e to the power 2x. Replace d by 2. Replace d by 2. If I replace d by 2, so the particular integral is e to the power 1 by 4 plus 6 plus 2 into e to the power 2x. So it is coming e to the power 2x by 12. So here fa is not equal to 0, so it is okay. So the particular integral is e to the power 2x by 12. So solution of this differential equation is CF plus PI. Another example, if I take particular integral of d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e to the power minus 2x. So once again we have to compute the particular integral. So particular integral is equal to 1 by fd into e to the power ax. Fd is here 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into e to the power minus 2x. Replace d by minus 2. So particular integral is equal to 1 by minus 2 whole square minus 6 plus 2 into e to the power minus 2x. So here this value is coming 0. So once again you have to differentiate. So particular integral x into 1 by f dash d into e to the power x. X into 1 by f dash d is 2d plus 3 e to the power minus 2x. So the particular integral x by replace d by minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into e to the power minus 2x. So it is minus x into e to the power minus 2x is the particular integral. Here I have replaced d by minus 2. So this is our particular solution. So for the given differential equation, the solution is same complementary function plus particular integral. So another case second, when our function is either sinusoidal, so when function in sin x or cos x, so when x is equal to sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b, then what will happen? So particular integral for such type of function is 1 by fd sin ax plus b, and in this function we have to replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by minus a square, or particular integral 1 by fd cos ax plus b, and same thing we have to done, replace d square by minus a square. So this is our second case when x is equal to sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b. So nothing we have to write. Particular integral is equal to 1 by fd sin ax plus b and replace d square by minus a square, or if it is a cos function, so same thing we have to write 1 by fd cos ax plus b and replace d square by minus a square. So let us take one example. With the help of example it will be more clear. Find the particular integral of d square plus 2d plus 3 into y is equal to sin 2x plus 1. So the particular integral for this 1 by fd into sin ax plus b, or fd is d square plus 2d plus 3 sin twice x plus 1. So replace d square by minus a square, means replace d square by a is 2, so minus 2 square. So the particular integral is equal to 1 by minus 4 plus 2d plus 3 into sin twice x plus 1. So it is particular integral is 1 by 2d minus 1 sin 2x plus 1. So it can be written as particular integral 1 by 2d minus 1. So rationalize. So 2d plus 1 divided by 4d square minus 1 sin 2x plus 1. Once again replace by minus 4. So the particular integral is equal to 2d plus 1 divided by 4 into minus 4 minus 1 sin 2x plus 1. So the particular integral, here I have replaced once again, replace d square by minus 2 square. So the particular integral is 2d plus 1 divided by minus 17 sin 2x plus 1. So it is minus 1 by 17 2d sine 2x plus 1 plus sine 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 17 to differentiation of this sine 2x plus 1 is cos 2x plus 1 into 2 plus sine 2x plus 1. So minus 1 by 17, 2 to the 4, so 4 cos 2x plus 1 plus sine 2x plus 1. So this is our particular integral for the given function. So nothing you have to do, just replace by d square by minus a square. If there is any possibility to make more d square, so you have to make the d square either by rationalize or whatever and replace d square by minus a square, and after that just make it like that. So the d is coming on the top or numerator. With the help of that d, we can easily differentiate the sine function or cos function and compute the particular integral. So another function, I am going to take one more example. Find the particular integral of d square plus 4 into y is equal to cos 2x. The particular integral is 1 by d square per 4 into cos 2x. Replace d square by minus 4 means minus 2 square. So particular integral is 1 by minus 4 plus 4 into cos 2x, so it is coming 0. So same thing you have to apply whatever we have done in the exponential function. Differentiate. So particular integral is equal to x into 1 by f dash d. So 2d into cos 2x. So the particular integral is x by 2 into 1 by d into cos 2x, or we can write x by 2 d by d square into cos 2x. Once again replace d square by minus 2 square. So particular integral is x by 2 into d divided by minus 4 into cos 2x. So it is minus x by 8, and d cos 2x is minus sine 2x into 2. So particular integral is x sine 2x by 4. So this is our particular integral. So third case I am going to discuss, case third. When x is equal to x to the power n or a polynomial of x, or a polynomial of x, then what will happen? So the particular integral is equal to 1 by fd x to the power n, and we can write fd inverse x to the power n, and just we have to expand fd to the power minus 1 in increasing power of d, and then operate on x to the power n. Like we know the expansion of how to expand by Taylor series, Taylor method. 1 to the power x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on and so forth. And similarly 1 plus x to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus so on and so forth. So let us take one example. Find the particular integral of d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to x square plus x. So the particular integral is equal to 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 into x square plus x, or particular integral is equal to 1 by 1 plus d whole square into x square plus x. And we know the expansion of 1 plus d to the power minus 2, 1 plus d to the power minus 2 x square plus x. So particular integral is equal to 1 plus x to the power minus 2 is the expansion is 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus so on and so forth. You have to write just like I have written 4d cube because after third derivative the value will vanish, that's why I have not written so on and so forth into x square plus x. So if I write particular integral is equal to x square plus x minus 2 d into x square plus x plus 3 into d square, 3 d square x square plus x minus 4 d cube x square plus x plus so on and so forth. So particular integral is equal to x square plus x minus 2, derivative of x square is twice x plus 1, similarly plus 3, derivative of d square is 3 into 2 minus 4 into 0 plus so on and so forth. So the particular integral is x square plus x square plus x minus 4x minus 2 plus 6. So the particular integral is x square minus 3x plus 4 is the particular integral of this function. Let us take another example on polynomial function. Find the particular integral of d square plus 2d plus 3 into y is equal to x square. So the particular integral is equal to 1 by d square plus 2d plus 3 into x square, or we can write 1 by 3 I have taken common, so 1 plus 2d by 3 plus d square by 3 into x square, or we can write 1 by particular integral 1 by 3 into 1 plus 2d by 3 plus d square by 3 to the power minus 1 into x square. So it is 1 plus x to the power minus 1. So particular integral is equal to 1 by 3, and 1 plus x to the power minus 1, the expansion is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. So 1 minus x, x is 2d plus 3 plus d square by 3, 1 minus x plus x square, so 2d plus 3 plus d square by 3 whole square and so on and so forth into x. So the particular integral is 1 by 3. Here is x square. So x square minus 2 by 3. Derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 by 3. Derivative of x square 2 times. So 2 plus 2 by 3. Derivative of x square is, it is 2 plus 0, because here 2 by 3 whole square, so 2 square by 3 square, d square, and after that d4 and dq, the derivative will be 0. So the particular integral is 1 by 3 x square minus 4x by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 8 by 9. So you can solve this. So this is the particular integral of d square plus 2d plus 3 into y is equal to x square. Next case I am going to discuss, that is case 4. When x is equal to e to the power ax into vx. So the particular integral is equal to 1 by fd e to the power ax into vx, or it will be e to the power ax into 1 by f d plus a into vx. Now it is like case third. We can solve it by case third, whatever we have discussed in the. So let us take one problem. Find the particular integral of d square plus d plus 1 into y is equal to e to the power x into sin x. So the particular integral is 1 by d square plus d plus 1 e to the power x into sin x, or we can write particular integral is equal to e to the power x 1 by d square, we can write d plus 1 whole square plus d plus 1 plus 1 into sin x. So the particular integral e to the power x divided by d square plus 2d plus d. So d square plus 3d plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 into sin x. Now replace d square by minus a square. So replace d square by minus a square. So particular integral is equal to e to the power x divided by minus 1 plus 3d plus 3 into sin x. So it is particular integral is equal to e to the power x into 1 by 3d plus 2 into sin x. So rationalize 3 e to the power x 3d minus 2 divided by 9d square minus 4 sin x. Once again replace d square by minus 1. So particular integral is equal to e to the power x 1 by minus 9 and minus 4. So minus 13 3d minus 2 into sin x. So it is particular integral is equal to e to the power x divided by minus 13 3d sin x minus 2 sin x. The particular integral is equal to minus e to the power x by 13 3 sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x minus 2 sin x. So particular integral is equal to minus e to the power x by 13, 3 cos x minus 2 sin x. So this is our particular integral. Last case of this higher order differential equation or particular integral, case 5, when x is equal to x sin ax or x cos ax, then what will happen? So the particular integral for this type of function, 1 by fd x sin ax. So particular integral is equal to x 1 by fd sin ax minus f dash d divided by fd whole square into sin ax, or if it will be x cos ax, so x 1 by fd cos ax minus f dash d by fd whole square sin ax. So one example on this pattern. So find the particular integral of d square plus 9 into y is equal to x sin 2x. So the particular integral is 1 by d square plus 9 into x sin 2x, or we can write particular integral is equal to x 1 by d square plus 9 into sin 2x minus 2d divided by d square plus 9 whole square into sin 2x. Now it can be solved. X into replace d square by minus 4, so 1 by minus 4 plus 9 into sin 2x minus 2d divided by replace d square by minus 4, so minus 4 plus 9 whole square into sin 2x. So it is coming x sin 2x divided by 5 minus 2d by 25 into sin 2x. So if I proceed, so particular integral is equal to x sin 2x by 5 minus 2 by 25 d sin 2x. The particular integral is equal to x sin 2x by 5 minus 2 by 25 into cos 2x into 2. So particular integral is equal to x sin 2x by 5 minus 4 by 25 cos 2x. So this is the solution of the given differential. So I have completed the how to compute the complementary function, and after that particular integral. So overall the question will look like this. Find the solution of a differential equation d2y by dx square plus 3dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e to the power 2x, and solution of this differential equation we have to write. So solution of differential equation y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So individually we have to compute. We have already seen various examples to compute the complementary function and particular integral. So for complementary function, auxiliary equation can be d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0, because this equation can be written as replace d square by d2 by dx square, replace capital D is equal to d by dx, and y is common, so d square plus 3d plus 2. So we can write d square plus 2d plus d plus 2 is equal to 0. So d is equal to minus 1 minus 2. So once this is our first case in the complementary function when our roots are real and distinct. So y is equal to c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. So this is the solution of complementary function. For particular integral, so particular integral can be written as 1 by fd into function is exponential, so e to the power 2x, so 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 into e to the power 2x. Replace d by a replace d by a. So particular integral is equal to 1 by a is 2, so 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into e to the power 2x. So it is coming e to the power 2x divided by 12. So the overall solution of this differential equation can be written as, so overall solution of this differential equation, y is equal to cf plus particular integral, and c1 is e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power 2x by 12. This is our complementary function, and this is solution of particular integral. So overall solution of this differential equation is c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power 2x by 12. So dear student, today I have discussed the second part of the high order linear differential equation, that is particular integral, and we have discussed the certain rules for the computation of particular integral. And in this era I have discussed the 5 cases. First case, when our function is e to the power x, then particular integral is equal to 1 by fd into e to the power ex x, and replace d by a. If fa is not equal to 0, if fa is equal to 0, then particular integral is equal to 1 by x into 1 by f dash d into e to the power x, and similarly you have to replace d by a. And after that I have discussed some problems based on this function. Second case I have discussed, that is x is equal to either sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b, then our particular integral is equal to 1 by fd into sin ax plus b, and here you have to replace d square by minus a square. And we have seen some problem based on this function also. Third case I have discussed, that is x is equal to x to the power n or polynomial function. So in this case I told you that just expand the series, and particular integral can be written as 1 by fd into x to the power n, and expand the series, and with the help of that you can compute the particular integral. Fourth case I have discussed, that is x is equal to e to the power x into vx, and we have computed the particular integral. And last case I have discussed, that is x is equal to either x sin x or x cos x, and with the help of that we have seen how to compute the particular integral. So take care of your health and happy learning.